the snake came with. Straight away you know there's something wrong, especially when identifying this, what the snake was. So it sets your heart racing a little bit and you sort of think, whoa, don't panic.
Staying calm, applying pressure to the bite site and getting himself to hospital as quickly as possible was vital to staying alive. After finding an ambulance, Rod deliberated what to do next.
I thought, do I phone the wife up or wake the young bloke up inside? Basically, I sort of thought, well, if I panic then, it's going to make me panic more and that increases your circulation so the venom will travel further through your body faster. So I just kept holding my finger and I couldn't do much else from there. I thought, bugger, if I'm going to die from a snake bite, I'm going to have a beer.
An unconventional approach? Perhaps. Understandable? We'll let you be the judge of that. Rick Shine, Professor of Biology at Sydney University, offers his advice.
Eastern browns have small fangs, but very, very potent venom. And there are a few cases where people have died literally within minutes of a bite. Normally, if you use the standard first aid procedure, which is an immobilising bandage wrapped around the bite site towards the heart, everything's fine, and you've got several hours to get to hospital and so on. But there are a few very tragic cases where people have died quite quickly from brown snake bite.
Growing to 2 metres in length, this very active snake thrives in the hot, arid regions of eastern Australia, along the entire east coast into the southern tip of the Northern Territory and even across to South Australia. This timid species accounts for 90% of deaths in Australia from snakebite, due in part to the potent venom delivered in an attack and its accidental yet common interaction with humans. The high mortality rate delivered by the venomous fangs of the eastern brown snake does little to deter the enthusiasm and daily handling of this animal by Jeremy Huberg of the Billabong Sanctuary in Townsville.
A bite from an eastern brown is generally a warning bite, and quite often a dry bite, which means they don't envenomate, and that's a really big sign that they're not out to get us. They are in fact afraid of us, and if you don't take that warning, if you don't take the hint, any subsequent bites they probably will envenomate, and then you'll be in a bit of trouble.
In the act of defence, the shy eastern brown will slay its